In the past, during the scheduled maintenance or emergency repair of natural gas pipeline network, the gas in the pipeline must be flared or vented directly, causing economic losses and environment pollution. Now, this pipeline gas recovery compressor can help you solve the problem. This is China's first truck-mounted pipeline gas recovery compressor, independently developed and manufactured by Karuwe. With this compressor, 90% of the pipeline gas can be recovered. The equipment features modular design and high level of integration, which can be put in place and start working in 2 hours. It can be relocated faster. One key linkage and high level of automation can greatly reduce labor intensity and effectively improve the safety in field operation. During the recovery operation of the number 9 valve station in the 2nd West-East gas pipeline of Pipe China, the equipment successfully completed the first gas recovery operation along large-diameter and long-distance pipelines in China in 35 hours, and recovered 1.564 million standard cubic meters of natural gas, reducing emissions by 23,400 tons of carbon dioxide equivalent.